Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon.
Hi guys, come on, let's unbox the phone quickly. Before that, let us see the features. To be frank, Realme Narzo 30 Pro has a great feature. It has a 5G MediaTek processor, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 30-watt dart charge with 5000 mAh battery capacity, 48 megapixel A1 camera. The MRP is 19,900, but we are getting it for 16,000 in Amazon. Wow! Let's quickly see what's inside the box. At the top there is a transparent rubber case. The quality is superb. This case is from Realme. Let's see what is next. Wow, look at the color, it is amazing. Let's keep the phone aside and let's check what is inside the box. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold. Look at the charger, it's so big. It is 30-watt dart fast charger. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. Let us finish the setup by selecting the correct options. In the next video I will show you the Realme Narzo 30 Pro benchmark and its gaming performance. Before that, let us see the camera clarity.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.